Good morning, my dear children. Now, this is my 6th session. We are continuing the same chapter, chapter 3, noun, naming words. Today again we will do some more exercises. I have explained you page number 20 and 21 in the book in my previous session. In my session 5, I hope all of you have completed in your book. Did you write with your pencil, children? Yes, I know. You all have written with a pencil. Because my dear children are always obeying their teachers. I know very well. You have written with the pencil only. So this exercise A, I have explained you on the whiteboard. And this I have given you in the homework also. I have placed on my website some selected sentences from this. That homework you have to complete in your 4-line copy. Now, in my today's session, I am going to give you exercise page number 22, exercise C, some selected sentences, some selected work I am going to write on the whiteboard. Children have to do in 4-line copy where you are writing your homeworks. Okay? Don't get confused. This I am going to write on the whiteboard. The children have to do in their 4-line copy. Not in the rough copy. In 4-line where you are writing your homeworks. I hope you all understood. So children will start writing with me. They will start doing this exercise with me. First of all, you will write everything. Chapter 3, heading of the lesson, nouns, naming words. Then you will write there exercise C, not A, C. Exercise C here. Page 22. Okay. Put today's date also. Don't write this session and these things. Class 1 English 1. Don't need to write. Only you write the date. Chapter 3. Lesson name. Exercise C. Page number 22. And after this, you will write here classwork. And write in the next line, chapter 3 in one line, second line this one, and side you will write this one. And then you will write this heading in the next line, exercise C. Write down the names of the following. This. Write down the names of the following. Children will write it. Okay? Now the first one, two, you have to write the names of the 2 things in the classroom. This is your question. Number 1, 2 things in the classroom. Children will write it. And after writing this, next line, you will come to the list, next line, and do it in this way. Answer. Then, first one, you will write table. And the second one, you will write the chair. This is your answer. you have to write. Okay? Then we will start. Leave one line here. Children will, after writing, leave one line here. Then they will start the second one to do it. Second one, this is the second question for you. So, don't put this bracket. Similarity should be there in all the work. Everywhere. Don't put it. Second one, two things in a park. You have to write down the names. Two things in a park. Then again in the same way. Answer. Number one, you will write here tree, and number two, you will write flower. Okay? Then again, you have to leave one more line. Clear? Understood? One more line you have to leave to write the next sentence. Third one for you. I'm going to do 2 dairy products. 2 dairy products. Two dairy products. The answer is, you will write here milk, and the second one you will write here butter. Write it. Understood? Now complete this. Now I'm going to give you, after doing this, again you have to leave one more line. Again, to do the next fourth one, you have to leave again line. Now I'm going to rub and write for you next. This is exercise C. You have to continue it in your copy. Then fourth one you have to do. Fourth one, 2 animals. Write down the name of 2 animals. Fourth one. You have to write names of 2 animals. Then again answer. Number 1 you will write dog. Second you will write cat. Then fifth one. Fifth. Only 5. 5 are there. Fifth one. 2 relations. You have to write down 2 relations. 2 relations. Again in the answer form. The first one. Write here mother, and the second one write father. Clear? So this is your book exercise. Some selected one, exercise C, selected one, the second, fourth, 7th, 9th and 12th. I have given you to do it in your 4-line. Then we will proceed the next exercise, exercise D. Here are some jumble letters. We will do it again in our 4-line copy. Page number 22 and 23. Page 22 and 23. Some more exercise. You have to do it in your 4-line copy. 4-line copy you do it. Only the exercise will change here. You have to change. Page number will be same. Don't. This also you write. Write only here exercise D. Everything in the same way you have to repeat. The chapter name. Chapter 3. Nouns, naming words. Today's date. Same. Exercise D only you have to change. You did C. Now you have to do D1. Page 22 classwork. Start writing with a heading. I am writing here that heading. Exercise D. Arrange the jumbled letters. Arrange the jumbled letters. Do this. First one. O-R-O-D. In front of this, after giving the dash, don't put line or anything. After doing dash, write the answer. The correct word is D-O-O-R, door. Write it in bold letters. Don't write in small letters. Write it in bold letters as I am showing you on the whiteboard. You have to do it in the same way. Second one for you. It's D-B-E. The correct word is bed. Third one. P-M-A-M. Then it is lamb. L-A-M-P. Lamb. Fourth one. O-K-O-P. Book. Fifth one. H-L-I-L. Hill. Sixth. T-B-A-O. Boat. Boat. 7. E-T-E-R. Tree. It's T-R-E-E. Tree. Then 8. K-S-Y. Sky. Now, here are 8 words. You have to arrange the jumbled letters. Door, bed, lamb, book, hill, boat, tree, sky. Now we have completed this exercise. As I told you, you have to do it in your 4-line copy in the same way as I explained you before, just now. Before writing this, chapter, number, name, date, today's date. Then exercise D, arrange the jumbled letters, heading also you have to write. Page number 22 and classwork. You have to do it in your 4-line copy where you are writing your. Now after doing it in your copy as I have instructed you that you have to do it in your homework copy, we will do these exercises in our book also. The exercise page number, same page number, we will do it in the book also. I'm showing you. I will write for you. You also write with me. Okay? This. Write down the names of the following. I have given you selected sentences. Selected 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 7, 9 and 12 in your copy. But here is given 5 things in the kitchen. But we will write, due to the less place, we will write 2 names for each. We will do this exercise in the book with the pencil. As I told you, you have to write every exercise in the book with your pencil only. So we will start writing in the book exercise. See the first one. 2 things in the kitchen. We use in the kitchen. We write 2 articles name we use in the kitchen. In the underline, in this underline place. Upper side of the underline. This line. Okay. First, you will write here. First one. Gas stove. Utensils. Things you see in the kitchen. Utensils. Second one, 2 things in your classroom. Chalk. Duster. We use chalk. So 2 things in the classroom. Chalk and duster. You will write here in this line. Second line. 2 things in a doctor's clinic. What we see? We see the medicine, stethoscope. Stethoscope. Fourth one. 2 things in a park. Tree, flower. 2 things in a park. 2 things in a restaurant. What we see? Napkin, cutlery set. Cutlery set, children, do you know? Cutlery stand or set? Do you know cutlery stand, napkin? Napkin. We are wiping our hands after washing or taking anything. And cutlery set, their spoons, fork, knife, everything hang there. That is called cutlery stand. Then 2 things obtained from a tree. Fruits, vegetables. Right. Two dairy products you can write. Milk, butter. 2 spices. मसाले के नाम, मसालों के नाम. 2 spices. Clove, लौंग. Turmeric, हल्दी. Turmeric. 2 wild animals name. Lion, fox. 2 domestic animals name. Cow, goat. 2 young ones of animals. Calf, kid. 2 relations. Brother, cousin. This you have to do it here in the book. Okay. Instead of writing 5 names, I have given you 2 names. You do it in the exercise C in your book here. Then exercise D, we will do this. Exercise D. look at the given pictures and write 6 nouns for the things that can see in each picture. After seeing this picture here, jumble words I have given you in the copy. You have to do this exercise in the book with your pencil. Write with your pencil. First one, this is the door. I am giving you in this way. Door, you have to write. Next word was bed. After this, it was table. Then lamp. You can see in the picture also. Lamp. Book. Pillow. Bed, lamp, book, table, pillow. Right. Then you will come on page number 23 here. Again, it's a picture of a scenery. It's a scenery. We will write here again the jumble words. Hill, lake, boat. Hill, lake, boat. Hill, lake, boat. Next line, tree, house, sky. Now you have to fill here with the pencil, page number 23 also. Now I hope my children all understood everything very well. Okay? So as I have given instructions, what you have to do it in the copy, how you have to write in the book. Follow my instructions. Do your all exercises in your book also, in your copy also. Complete this work in the book. It is a book work. It is a book work for you. I hope it is clear. One more thing, very important thing. Whatever I am teaching you, you have to learn also. Learn it. And after learning, don't forget to write it twice. At least 2 बार आपको उसको लिख के याद करना है. You learn and then write. Do the practice of writing. That is must for you. How you will learn these difficult spellings? When you will write, you will find your mistakes, and after finding your mistakes, you will correct it, learn it again and write it again. I hope my children understood everything very well. Now I am going to binding up my session, today's session. This chapter also is over. Almost all the exercises I have given in the book, explained you on the whiteboard also. I have shown you how to write in the book. I have given instructions to you how to do the homeworks in the copy. So my dear children, complete all the work in neat and clean handwriting. And it's my request to you to do every day 1 page handwriting work at home. Spend some time to improve your handwriting. So learn and write, learn and write. Okay? Bye-bye. Study also, play also, and enjoy with your parents. We will meet you in the next session. Bye.